Hey everybody, here's a look at the art journal page we're making today using the supplies from the Mixed Media Inspired subscription. I'm working in my Large Dilutions art journal and I'm applying a layer of Lindy's Starburst spray to the background of my page, and then I'm taking a wet brush to blend out that spray pattern so I have even coverage over my entire page, and then I'm going to allow it to dry. Starburst sprays have mica in them, so after I can see it's dry, you can see the light, all that mica shimmer, which is really beautiful and fun for creating art journal pages or mixed media projects. I've grabbed another color of Lindy Starburst spray, and I'm using a pipette to just grab some of that right from the bottle and put it on my palette so I can actually paint with the Starburst sprays. So just using a regular brush, I can begin painting onto my background, and this time I'm creating an abstract rose or flower. You could also do this and create patterns, or you could put it through a stencil. Lots of different things you can do with this technique, and it's really another way to get another use out of your Starburst spray. So as you can see, I'm just going around and putting all the petals until I'm happy with the flower, and then I'm going to continue doing this over my entire background so that it is actually covered with these abstract flowers. And then I will allow them all to dry. After I have all the flowers in place, I'm going to fill in the areas around it with some leaves and branches. And I'm just doing these wherever I feel like there's a gap or there's an empty space that I want to fill in so that I don't just have these flowers floating in the background. I'm also taking care to do the leaves in different sizes just for more interest. And then I will allow them all to dry. I decided that I didn't want to have all of the flowers showing, so I'm grabbing a third color of Lindy's Starburst sprays and just spraying them on the background. Also, if you hold the nozzle and push down slowly, you can get the spray to splatter out, which is a cool effect. After everything's dry, I can begin collaging on my page. This is a piece of burlap, and I'm gluing it down with Dina Wikimedia Ultra Thick Gel. It's a really good adhesive when you're working with thicker fabrics like burlap so that you get a permanent adhesion to your page. And then I'm also grabbing a sheet of 49 and Market rub-ons, and I'm going to just apply these very sporadically on my page with a Tim Holtz Ideology Remnant Rub tool. The names and colors of all the products that I'm using today are listed in the description below, so check that out if you want more information about any of the colors or products that I'm using during this video. So as I mentioned, I'm just putting down these rub-ons with the tool by rubbing just small sections of it and then lifting, so I'm not getting a solid design anywhere on the page. Now I'm using a Tim Holtz Ideology Transparent Things. This is one of the items that's in the package, and it's a butterfly. And I'm gluing it down with Distress Collage Medium, which is a really good adhesive when you're working with any kind of different materials and you want to have it to quickly adhere. And then I'm going to finish out the rest of the collage with Stamperia Paper Ephemera. And these are really cool because they actually are sticker backed. So I'm just using my scissors to gently peel off the backing of each of these, and then you can place them down just like stickers. So I'm going to work on my composition here by using several different images, and I dumped all of the package actually into this bin so that I could see everything, but yet keep it tidy so I could move it off my work surface. That's something I like to do when I'm working with packages of ephemera, because otherwise, as we all know, they can somehow multiply after you pour them out of the package, and then it's quite difficult to keep everything kind of corralled. So I like to put them in a bin when I'm working. And I'm just going to keep placing down these items and layering them. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to grab a Stabilo wall pencil and a wet brush and just add some darkening, grungy black shade around everything. And with that, my page is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired and got ideas to use in your own art journal. I'd love to see what you're making, so take a picture and post it on social media using hashtag ArtJournalJunction. If you enjoyed this video today, please give us a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so YouTube knows you want to see more mixed media and art journaling videos in the future.